So I'm going to do a video on summon with Key Fob, and it says note there that you want to make sure that this is set in a particular way, that you have it set to no under controls on the autopilot for customized summon. So you want to make sure that to operate summon with Key Fob, continuous press must be selected to no. Okay, so we're going to try this out with our little Key Fob here. Alright, so we're going to make sure that this require continuous press is set to no in your summon categories here.
It's not really surrounded by any other cars, but we're going to go ahead and hold the middle button until we see a flash. And then I'm going to hit, see if it reverse out of here. You can hear it engaging here. It comes backing out all by itself. We got a Subaru we got to watch out for here. So I'm going to go ahead and make it stop here. If it's not going to do it on its own, did it on its own. Hopefully it sees this other car here. All right, so now let's see if we'll get it to go forward here. So we'll hold it again. Wait for this flash. Just hit the front. And it should start going forward into this spot right here. Key fob ready to go in case I gotta hit the button there. Really trusting it to stop on its own. There you go. Little spot right there. Pretty good parking job. All right, there's the summons with the Key Fob. I'm gonna do it in a little tighter spot here next to show you how that works. All right, so at my work, there's this tight spot I've gotta park in. So I'm tired of having to get in there and try to maneuver it out. So I'm gonna try the summon feature. Holding down the center button should flash. Let's try that again. Hold down the center button until we see a flash. There we go. Just hit the front to engage it. See if this works. Here it comes. Coming right on out of there. And you want to have this ready. You can hit any button on this to make it stop. There's a pole there I don't want to get too close to, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the button to stop it. Just to show you no one's inside. The car was driving itself. Now getting it to go back in here may be a hard part too, so we're going to hold that down again. And we're going to hit the back part. There's a pole here that I'm worried about. Let's see if the car can see it. It sees it. You can see it turning the wheel in there. Really trying to get in this spot. And you can set the distance too in that summon feature, so I think it's really trying to avoid this pole taking its time. So if there was another car there, I think it would have an easier time, so it's really kind of going crooked here. So I'm going to stop it here so it doesn't run into this little Subaru. But with this pole here, it gives a little trouble. But you can see it does work pretty well. So let's make it go back out of here. So maybe I can open the door a little easier. And get past that pole. Turn the tires. Just walking along with it here. Ain't she pretty? All right, it's still going. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. So that's how the summon feature works on the Model 3 with the Key Fob. With the app, maybe you have a better way to control it. But yeah, just hold down the center button and then just hit. You don't have to hold or anything. Just hit the front or the back. And it'll go. All right. As always, please subscribe and ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks a lot.